Come test drive the 2020 Escalade. A full-size luxury SUV, the Cadillac Escalade stands for A-list style. Thrilling, yet effortless performance combined with advanced luxury and technology that's on the leading edge of the industry makes the Escalade an easy choice. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power heated outside mirrors, automatic transmission, remote power door locks, Bluetooth, universal remote transmitter, heated steering wheel, adaptive cruise control, power windows, tachometer, navigation system. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.